During the budget deliberation of the Office of the Ombudsman before the House Appropriations Committee, Ombudsman Samuel Martires revealed that their system was hacked this year. Because of this, the office's decision-writing process got compromised.
Itong taon po nito, na-discover namin na nahack yung aming system. Yung mga may kaso pala sa amin, kaya pala alam nila kung nasaan ang kanilang mga kaso, kasi 3 tao pala ang nakatingin sa aming firewall. So, because of that, 2 of our personnel from the Management Information System are on preventive suspension.
Thus, Ombudsman Martires told lawmakers that their office needs additional information technology personnel. In the 2024 budget proposal of the Ombudsman, amounting to more than 5 billion pesos, 217 million pesos is requested from the Congress to support the office's productivity and replace aging information and communications technology equipment. Meanwhile, Ombudsman Martires suggested to Congress to remove the requirement of publishing the audit observations of the Commission on Audit or COA for government agencies. The Ombudsman said this creates confusion.
Mayroon po ako sanang gustong imungkahi sa Kongreso na kung pwede po ay alisin na sa special provisions o sa general provisions ng GAA yung pagpapublish ng Audit Observation Memorandum. Ito pong Audit Observation Memorandum ay nagkukos po ng gulo kasi sa pananaw po ng isang tao, pag nabasa niya na mayroong yung Audit Observation Memorandum sa isang 10 million project ay mayroong kaunting aberya, ay sasabihin na kagad ng tao na itong government official ay kumikita doon sa 10 milyon na proyekto. Ang hindi lang pala na-submit ay resibo.
He mentioned this when he discussed about the process of investigations being done by the agency in relation to a violation of the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act. He pointed out the whole process of audit should be finished first with a decision or resolution of the Commission.
Kung minsan may mga kaso na hindi pa tapos ang COA ng kanilang investigation, ng kanilang audit. So hinihintay po namin yung matapos ng COA yung audit at ang buong proseso. Not just yung audit ng auditor, pero yung proseso na umabot na hanggang sa NBank, sa commission, na yung audit po ay nadesisyonan ng commission.
Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.